let's go for a ride. We're gonna ride the Greenbelt today, and I'm gonna start my Garmin so you know exactly how far it is. Let's go. This is the Ile Silhouette Bridge. It's usually pretty busy, lots of people. Very popular trail. I'm actually curious to see the distance at the end to see how far it actually is. I've never actually started my Garmin and did the whole Greenbelt, so I guess we're gonna find out. There is lots of trails for beginners and stuff off this direction. Lots of trails to go and explore on your mountain bike. Today I'm just riding my gravel bike. But yeah, there's tons of trails over here that are pretty cruisy, fun, not as technical. So if you're just getting into mountain biking and want to do something a little more chill, a little more flat, this is a very good zone to try your new bike out and not be on aggressive terrain. Yeah, this is the Greenbelt. Hey. Lots of friendly, nice people, which is always good. Pretty nice out today, good temperature. There was a little bit of rain earlier, but hopefully we don't get rained on. But maybe the sun will come out. There's a skate park over to the right, which is pretty neat. We'll take you for a little tour.
Oh, that's the name I haven't heard.
Hey. Let's go for a little cruise of the skate park here. Check it out. Sure, there's people skating. Little park, kind of cool. I guess if you got family and kids and stuff, this is a cool little zone to check out. Cool park, or if you feel like, I don't know, exercising, you can always come over here and do some exercises on the equipment. It's for everybody, I guess. So, yeah, you can always do a bit of exercising if you want. If you don't want to go to the gym, you can just come here. Pretty neat park, Kovac Park. Wonder if we can catch a few skateboarders cruising. Let's check it out, see if we can. Throw in some big tricks. Maybe. I don't know. Oh, here comes one. Maybe. Yo. All right, we'll keep cruising. That's the skate park. Kind of neat. Bit of shade if you need some shade. I don't know, or you want to come have your lunch? Come have your lunch. Yeah. Come back out to the Greenbelt here. Lots of people running and biking. Yo! Yeah, we're gonna pass this crew. Flip-flops and all. Just on your left there. All right, it's all good. Flip-flops. It's all good. Yeah, so it's pretty nice. Oh yeah, sun's coming out, so. I know you can't smell the air, but I want to let you know smells super good. There's the mill right over here to the right. And downy timber. Whew, getting a little bit of rain here. Little bit of rain. Oh well, whatever. It's pretty hot out today anyways. A little bit of rain won't hurt. So there's, I'll show you in a little bit further ahead, but just off to your left here, there's some cool trails that go to a iron walking bridge, which is really neat. We'll see it on our left here pretty soon. Try to turn the camera to the left here so you can see the big iron bridge. But yeah, so out here in the distance to our left here, let me turn the camera to our left there. There is the walking bridge right there. Pretty cool. Everybody's always so nice, polite and nice, so good. This is the mill, downy timber. Just gonna check the lens here. Yoo. Make sure it's clear so you can see as I'm riding. We'll keep cruising. This isn't like a ride you need to go super fast on. Check our speed here. What do we got? 18.4 kilometers an hour. That's what Garmin's telling me. Not like I'm cruising too fast. Oh, might have got some more stuff on the lens there. Look at all that timber. Timber. Yoo. Do a little speed check here. What are we at? Oh, 24.6 kilometers an hour. 24. Usually pretty busy trails, so you gotta watch for people. Thank you. Yeah. You know, be nice and polite when you pass people. It's really nice of them to pull over and bring their dog over. Their doggo, so you don't hit the doggo. And it was really nice it actually had a leash on it, which is really cool. So, yeah. Yeah, the Greenbelt is such a good cruisy run. pretty cruisy, fun. Then we end up in Centennial Park. At the Ball Diamonds. It's looking pretty good, all nicely kept. City always keeps this area pretty nice and clean and tidy and nice, which is really nice. Yoo. Lots of spots to sit and relax and chill out. There is some more trails over to our left here. Oh, that's okay. Didn't know that lady was going left. But good thing we're paying attention. All right, check this view out to the left. Pretty cool. So you're gonna see that when you're cruising the Greenbelt. Yo! Oh yeah. Should we go through the Revelstoke sign? You want to go through the Revelstoke sign? I think we should. I think it's here somewhere on the left. I think we got to go through the Revelstoke sign. Coming up, somewhere here on the left. We'll rip through it. Ready? Oh yeah, here it is. Let's go. Right here, let's go. Yo. Then over here, you're gonna get a little bit of a hill climb. Little bit of a hill climb, but not too bad. Just turning on my red light because we're going to be going onto the road here. But this basically ends you up at the rec center. Which is a super good place. Get the library, rec center, fire hall, super nice place. I want to show you the fire hall, so we'll keep cruising a little bit here, because when you come off the Greenbelt, you can come check out the fire hall, which is really cool. And then you have so many options from here. You can go through town, or you can go back on the Greenbelt, kind of whatever you want to do. Yo! Revelstoke Fire, yo! So we're gonna keep cruising a little bit more here. Oh, everybody's going. Everybody's going, so I'll go too then. But come on, I want to show you something over here. So that's the fire hall, but let's go over here. Because there's a cool view right over here that we can check out. Let's go check out this cool view of the river. Right here. On Garmin. Looks like we've got about 4.7 kilometers. That's not too bad. So when you get up to the fire hall, you can either go back through town or you can turn around and go back on the Greenbelt to where you parked. The option is yours. All right, see you in the next one. Yep.